it's teacher Victor. Today we have a cooking class. So, what recipe do you think we are making today? I have a tip. It's one of the most delicious snacks in the planet. I love this one. What do you think we are making? So, do you like hot dog? Yes? But what about an oven hot dog? Let's try it. Okay, now let's check the material and the ingredients. So, we need a mixer, a spoon, and a cake pan. Okay? Now let's check the ingredients. 2 cups of milk, 2 eggs, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 400 grams of sausage, 4 slices of cheese, tomato sauce, 1 sliced tomato, 1 sliced onion, and 1 soup spoon of baking powder. Now, we have all the ingredients and the material, so let's go. Okay, now let's make the dough. First, you put the all-purpose flour in the mixer. Then you add the milk. And to finish, add the egg. Now you have to call your mom or dad to help you, okay? You have to close the mixer and turn it on. Let's go! So, now you're gonna use a spoon and mix a little bit here, okay? Now, add the last ingredient, the baking powder. And you mix again. This is our dough. Now, let's make the sausage sauce. Let's go? Okay, now you heat a pan, add a little bit of oil, the sliced onion, after some 2 or 3 minutes, you add the tomato. Do you like tomato, guys? I love tomatoes. Okay, now you add the sausage. And to finish, you add the tomato sauce. Okay, now you have to let it cook for 5 minutes. Okay? Look how beautiful it is. I love this sauce, guys. Do you like it? Okay, guys. Now, 5 minutes later, we have this beautiful sausage sauce. Look. It's beautiful, right? And it's done. Let's finish the recipe. In the cake pan, you put a little bit of oil and a little bit of all-purpose flour. Put it here and you spread it. Can you see? Alright? Then you take off the whole excess. Alright? Now, with a spoon, you have to put the sausage in here. Call your mom and dad to help you. Alright? Look how beautiful it is, people. This is so good. Okay, after that, you put the rest of the dough in here, carefully, okay? And you finish with some slices of cheese. I love cheese. And you, do you like cheese? And now you put in the oven on 200 degrees, okay? And you have to wait for 30 minutes. Let's go. Okay guys, 30 minutes later, now let's open the oven. Right now you have to ask for help for your mom and your dad, okay? Yummy! So beautiful. Okay guys, now call your mom or dad to help you because you have to cut that. And then you put it on a plate. Let's try it. And this is the oven hot dog. Now, let's try it. It's really hot. Look at that. It's amazing. Delicious. Okay guys, that's all for today. Bye bye. See you next class.